Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the phone is ready. Charge above 20% and unlock it. Next, open Settings and go straight to Control Center and Status Bar to begin. You do this because changes apply system-wide and need the right menu context. Once there, scan the current quick toggles so you know what to replace. If an export or backup option exists, save the current layout now. This prevents losing a preferred setup and makes rollback straightforward. Now perform the core customization. Tap Edit or Manage on the Control Center screen to enter edit mode. Drag a tile in to add a function, drag out to remove, and reorder by long pressing and moving a toggle where you want it. Use any more settings or three-dot menus to reveal advanced toggles like one-handed mode or desktop casting. Doing this lets you tailor the Control Center to daily tasks, so common actions are one swipe away and clutter. Finish by tapping Save or simply exiting edit mode so changes persist. Then swipe down from the top to open the refreshed Control Center and test each toggle. Turn Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and brightness sliders on and off to confirm. If a toggle is missing or unresponsive, restart the phone first. This often resolves cache issues. If problems continue, return to Settings and reset Control Center preferences or check for a system update, because firmware bugs sometimes block new layouts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.